Well, we're Andrew McAfee. It's great to have Enterprise 2.0 conference, and it's great, and we are honored to be with you this morning. Okay, what I would like just to ask to you, let's say in France, some people are working on Enterprise 2.0, let's say a lot of governmental authorities, a lot of people, a lot of CEOs, a lot of persons are concerned with Enterprise 2.0, but let's say, what are your key recommendations, let's say, for decision makers who is willing to move toward Enterprise 2.0?
So I would encourage people who are interested in Enterprise 2.0 to do three things. First of all, to make the tools themselves as easy and simple and straightforward to use as possible. Second of all, to trust that people will use them in the right way and will use them appropriately, and just set them free to go use the technologies as they see fit and have some confidence that they will do the right thing as opposed to the wrong thing. And then third, I would encourage people to provide official support and encouragement from the top of the organization. So for example, to publicly say that this is what we want our people to do, to maybe participate in these environments and these communities themselves, and to show via all the tools that they have that this is what the organization should be doing. This is a positive direction.
Okay, and with this type of recommendation, Andrew, let's say being very much involved in this domain in UX, say, are you getting some encouragement results? Are you really on the right track? Do you see some change? Are we entering a new phase these days?
I've been very impressed by some very large, very traditional organizations in the US who have really embraced the concept of Enterprise 2.0 and are making efforts that are both sincere and very deep in the organization to change the way people work together and the way they think. I've seen some very encouraging signs.
And this is providing results in terms of value creation, in terms of performance, in terms of competitiveness?
Yes, in terms of things that leaders care a lot about, in terms of productivity or responsiveness or speed, we're seeing some real benefits.
This means that from, let's say, the point of view of, let's say, the economical situation in which we are, you do believe that it's a route to go forward in order to move, in order to help companies and organizations and even state. Okay?
I think it's a great thing to do in this economic environment because a lot of these technologies themselves are not very expensive and you can realize very significant benefits from them. And especially in this economy, the challenge is to get all possible good ideas to try to get through this difficult period in the economy. These technologies are wonderful for bringing people together and generating good ideas.
Okay, it means that you do believe that we are really at a good stage for this co-evolution between technologies and organization, and with a solid adoption by...
I think we're at a very interesting period. I don't think it will happen everywhere. I don't think it will happen quickly. But as you say, we have the opportunity to change our organizations and to deploy some new technologies at the same time. I think forward-looking organizations will be the ones that take advantage of this opportunity.
Okay, great. Thank you, Andrew. I appreciate very much your time.
Merci bien.
Okay. Merci beaucoup, Andrew. Okay.